Hey everyone, it's Anuj here. So I'm back with a new video, and the agenda for today would be the end-to-end encryption functionality, which has been recently introduced by WhatsApp. It's like the latest update they made. The functionality is there. So I'll be explaining what this video is, what this feature is all about in a non-technical manner. The technical video would be coming after like 3 to 4 days by the end of the weekend. By the end of the week, sorry. So in general terms, I mean, what does it provide you? I mean, if you must have seen this kind of uh, pop-up or lock symbol in your every chat history whenever you're chatting with someone in the latest versions only, not in the previous versions. So what is it provides you is you can speak freely. Speak freely is no one is if you when you can speak freely when no one is hearing you, or when no one is like can't hear you, or you are free that time. So that is the very basic idea, that you have to speak free. So they provide you a way in which you and the person you are communicating to, they only can see the messages, others can't. So that's kind of security by default. And the messages that stays with you only, no one can read them. No one can read them, as in WhatsApp can't read them, any third party can't read them, even the government can't read them. So that is like very secure. I have did it. So just keeping it simple. So what it does is it provide means that the third party can't read your messages anyway. That is the very simple term you can say. And it doesn't matter, it's just text or it's your voice call, everything is encrypted, whatever you're sharing between the two parties as in two phones, photos, videos, voice messages, documents, anything you can share with your WhatsApp. So idea is very simple. So whatever you're sending to other person, it should stay between both of you. It's like a personal talk you guys are doing. So when you're talking to someone personally, the context or the idea is in between both of you. You are making the communication. So that is the way they have provided this. That is the very basic idea. This is why it's very simple. And as I've said already, it's that encrypted, it's that secure that not even WhatsApp can read it, and governments also, and anyone else in the world can't read it. And here's a very interesting fact I would like to share, that WhatsApp doesn't store your messages on their servers until and unless they're not delivered to anyone. So if you have sent a message to someone and it's not delivered, that means WhatsApp has stored it, WhatsApp servers have stored it, and once it's delivered, they'll delete it from their server. That's why they don't maintain any history, and that's why they're that efficient, because they don't have anything to store on their databases. So I'm just going into some technical stuff, just ignore it. Okay, so this picture can give you a very good idea. So say for example, phone 1 is me, phone 2 is you, and I'm trying to make a communication here. So I'll explain using this analogy. So phone 1, I have installed the latest version, I have updated to the latest version. Phone 2, you have updated to the latest version. So at the installation time, what will happen, some public keys will get generated and they'll be transferred from your phone to the WhatsApp servers. And same will happen with phone 2. And whenever you're trying to communicate with from phone 1 to phone 2, or whenever you're trying to make a connection. So connection is whenever you must have used a 3G connection or 2G connection while using WhatsApp. So you must have seen one connecting text coming on the top with 3 dots or a circle revolving. So that is a connection between both the phones. So what happens is whenever you start a chat with someone else, a session will start. So in that session, there'll be a separate key. For each session, there'll be a separate key. So it can be explained using the lock and key method. So what happens is every message get locks with a key, and the other person, the phone 2, is having that key, so they will unlock and they'll see the message. That is the only basic concept they have. That's it. Period. So I would like to share one very interesting thing here. So if you can see, this is there on the official. So this is a hello message. This is a hello message from phone 1. It's got encrypted with the lock. Then received on phone 2, unlocked, and you can see the message. So that's what the basic thing is. And what are the requirements? You just need the latest version of the app. That's it. nothing else. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for being with me. So just subscribe to my channel if you like the video, share this video, comment if you have some suggestions or you want to discuss something. Thank you guys.